So I went by and got everything for an oil change on the 6.0. I run this Motorcraft 10W30 and Motorcraft filter. And this is not oil, this is arch oil. I run arch oil in the fuel and the oil side, but I get all this stuff from Jeff Durbin in Amarillo, and he buys that arch oil in bulk, so he just fills up a little container for me. So you need 15 quarts roughly, and I use a 16 quart drain pan. Make sure I've got plenty. And then one of these, what is this? 36 millimeter for the filter. But crescent wrench works fine too. So fixing to get started. Alright, so this big one here is for the oil filter. I always loosen this up first. I loosen this one up first so when you go to drain the oil, it drains a little easier. You can get air through here. This socket didn't stay on very well. These will be black plastic lids. I have these billet aluminum ones on here for whatever reason. Too much time on eBay, I guess. So, go ahead and crack that open. That'll pop up a little bit. I do that, and then I put the drain pan under, let it drain, let it sit there for a while, make sure it all runs out. Do what?
Mine your way.
No. I don't remember if this is a 3/4 or what this is. 3/4 kind of close. It's probably a 19. Well, it's gonna be a 3/4 today. You know what I did with that paper towel?
No.
All right.
I didn't see you look like this one.
Yeah, I think I usually use a 3/4. I don't know if that's right, but it's not wrong. Woo! All right.
I don't know why, but that's so fascinating.
I like to check this magnet on here for metal. Which it looks pretty clean. So that's a good deal. I'm gonna get this filter done up here. New gasket. New one in. And change out this gasket on here. Some of the oil on it, all lubed.
say just enough.
Mm-hmm. Where the filter is. Of course, mine are these fancy ones. Alright, go ahead and tighten this back down. Man, got oil everywhere. Just like that. I like to clean them up a little bit. Alrighty, let's put the drain plug back in. Alright. Put this back in. If you've never done this, you want to tighten it down, but not over tighten it. Just like that. And start pouring it back in. Put the oil in up here. I normally put the first jug in, then I put my arch oil in there, and then I fill it up the rest of the way. Usually I do about 2 jugs and then I check it. Do the third one as needed. This is that arch oil 9100, I think, for the oil side. We got it in a separate little deal here. Dump it in. This stuff just looks nasty. Alright. Next jug. You can be like my magician's assistant, mechanic's assistant.
Magicians get cool names. Do I get a cool name?
Well,
Other than wifey.
I don't know. You know how terrible I am at naming stuff.
I don't know. After a month, we found out a name for the dog.
Yeah. Yeah, that took a while. Yeah. We'll do 2 jugs, and we'll let it sit, and we'll check it, and we'll add the third one as needed. Ah! Don't do that. You can keep from it.
I know, you just made a mess.
No, I gotta clean that up. Still not anything on the dipstick. So go ahead and put half of this third one in. Let it sit a little. We put 2 jugs, the arch oil, and then a quart of this, and it's about halfway between the full and the add. I'm going to drive it back around to the house, let it sit for a few, and check it again. See what else I need to add. Alright, started it, drove it over here, let it sit for a while. check it again. Yeah, needs a little bit more. Put another quart in there, let it sit again. Alright, I put about another 1.5 quarts in it, and it seems to be just in the right place. So that's the oil change on a 6 liter. Have any questions or anything, just leave them in the comments. See you later.